Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make chiffon cake with Foi Thong. Foi Thong is a Thai dessert made from the yolk egg and drop into the hot syrup. It's also a wonderful cake. The combination of cake and this Foi Thong was very good. First, we're gonna use the yolk egg with the sugar. All ingredients I will put in the description box below. And then mix it until it's homogeneous and it look like creamy. And then we're gonna add milk and also the vegetable oil. And then we're gonna sip the cake flour with the baking powder and salt. Live chiffon cakes are one of my favorite desserts to make. It's very light and simple and also very delicious. So it's nice chance from all heavy desserts out there. Mix the batter until it's homogeneous and not have stuck of the flour. Now it's ready for the batter and then continue with the white egg. So we in the large mixing bowl beat egg white and cream of tartar until it's very stiff. And then continue to add the sugar. Beat the egg whites until the egg whites go straight up or stiff peak, and just the tip is soft enough that is float over. And now it's ready. You can see the white egg is stiff peak like this. And then we continue to mix with the yolk egg. Add our meringue or our white egg separate by at 3 times. The first time we gonna mix it well. Try to float beaten egg white into the yolk egg mixture so that you would not deflate the egg white, which would result in the dense cake. And then gentle float in the rest of the egg whites into the yolk egg until no white remains. For this recipe is for cake 2 pounds, or you can put in the cupcake like this. And then we're gonna bake for 10 to 15 minutes for 175 Celsius. And next step, just make the whipping cream by we use the whipping cream that is already combined with the sugar, and then beat it until it's form enough like this. And then prepare to put onto the cake with the whipping cream. This one you can change for the design of the whipping cream that what you like. And then we're gonna put the Foi Thong on the center of chiffon cake or the cupcake. And that is finished for our chiffon cake with the Foi Thong. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and for the Foi Thong it's very easy to make it with just only use for the syrup and the yolk egg. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.